What is good, guys? What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua, Trade Lord himself, come to you live, and we are on video 31, right? So if I go here, remember, you go to my YouTube channel. It's how I trade in 2024. All the videos right here, and also on TradingView, right? If you have me on TradingView, shout out to the followers on TradingView, right? But I've been keeping my promises, just slamming them, YouTube video, YouTube video, YouTube video, man. It's from 1 all the way to 30. And now it's about to be 31. I ain't playing games. I come with the smoke, and it is what it is. These are the other trades these are, where the account is right now. $6,000 account is, we're about like $500 down. And yeah, these are the couple trades. Yeah, the last couple like this month been a little shaky, been a little crazy, right? But we're hanging in there. We're swinging back, and we're just waiting, man. We're just waiting for the drought to be over. um, so we're in this trade currently. That's this trade. We're risking 100 to make $50 on this trade, and that is USD CHF, right? And you have it there, clear as day. This is the entry. Went into a little bit of drawdown, as you can see here, right here. Went all the way down to here, and now it's currently right here. We need this to go up here, right? And now be TP with the $50, right? Done and done. So that's USD CHF. Getting right into it. NZD USD. We are simply waiting for a 4-hour break of structure. I do have fibs placed because I'm thinking about taking this one on my what do you call it? My funded pips account, right? That be the $25,000 evaluation challenge, basically. And I'm thinking about taking that one, but we'll see. That's a whole different strategy. That's the 4-hour strategy. Moving on, but yeah, NZD USD, just waiting for a 4-hour break of structure, and we're chilling out again, not taking this trade because we had big win, and then mini win, right over here, and these are irrelevance, right? So we're just chilling out to see what's happened next, right? 4-hour break of structure is what we need because all the other higher time frames are pointing. We need to go up in the up direction, right? On GBP, JPY. If I go here, we are up structure on the monthly, up structure on the weekly, down structure on the daily, right? And down structure on the 4-hour. So it's like a pause. It's a big pause, and that's why we're not doing anything right now. But what needs to break structure first is this 4-hour break of structure, and that will rule out the daily, and we'll go with the weekly and the monthly. You get what I'm saying? And then we go on the 1 hour. Once we hit this approach, we go on the 1 hour, and we find, the 4-hour is the scope. The 1 hour is the trigger, right? I always explain it to my students like that. Euro USD. I mean, Euro JPY, my bad. Euro JPY, we're waiting for a 4-hour break structure. Well, now we're waiting for a 1-hour break structure, really. Not 4-hour. And why is that? If you go to the 1-hour chart, well, first off, let's go to the higher time frame. We are up structure on the month, but down structure on the week because this is the last two confirmation. We surpassed it. Down structure on the week, down structure on the day, and we're down structure on the 4 hour, right? With that being said, with the 4 hour being down structure, okay, on the 1 hour, I need it to be down structure, and it's not currently, right? We had this play right here. This became irrelevant, so I deleted this setup, right? And we were going for 100. We're going for our $50 and risking 100, right? But now we're in up structure Fibonacci, right? Red lines. And if this looks like this wants to pass here, and then we have a 2 count formation here, and this would be the new breaker structure point. But until we get to that, until we see otherwise, we're chilling. I did not put my alert on this trade yet, so let's do that. That'll be 1 hour structure. Boom. Boom. All right. Just like it says here, we boot there. Now the alert is set, and now I would be alerted if this thing comes down. But if this thing goes up, I tend to not. I could put alerts here too, and it'll be a continuation. But I tend not to do that. I tend to just every now and then look at the market, see what it's doing. How good they didn't hit my alert yet? And then I check it and it's like, oh, it's because it did a continuation. Okay. And the market moves slow enough for me to just do that and just very nonchalant. I'm trying the higher time frames, man. I'm not on the 5 minute. Be like, oh, I missed my move. I missed my move. I missed my move. It's very rare I miss my move. If I'm missing my move, I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. Um, Sleeping or not having, not paying attention and just having a ball, and that's okay. Waiting for a 4 hour break of structure on this pair two as well. Up structure on the monthly, up structure on the weekly, down structure on the daily, and down structure on the 4 hour, right? So it's 2 against 2 on the 4 horsemen. That's not good. I need three, at least three agreeing, right? So what needs to break first is the 4 hour, obviously. It's always the break first before the daily. Daily would not break structure first with without the 4 hour. Just like um the 4 hour can't break structure first before the 1 hour. It wouldn't make sense. 1 hour needs to break structure first, right? Which it did here. It made this low. Last 2 confirmation was here. We broke structure. Now 4 hour. Now 1 hour is in up structure, and that as long as 1 hour is in up structure, the 4 hour structure is under attack. It's basically that we have no. We'll do a little pullback, but if we stay on down, up structure on the 1 hour, we're eventually going to move up, and we're going to move up, pull back deeper into the 4 hour, and potentially break structure, which we need. That's simple. um, just like here, Bitcoin's break that 4 hour break of structure. Clearly, we are up structure right on the month, up structure on the week for sure, up structure on the day, right, daily, and we're up structure. Well, down structure on the 4 hour, right. But yeah, the thing needs to break. It's about to break. And we have all this support underneath with 1,000 MA. and 200 MA. Yeah, this thing's all break easy, easy breakout, and then you play the play, right? You play the play. CHF JPY. We have that, that pattern of two already. We had two of these, the big wins, in the wrong ways, which is the little wins, right? And we had two of the pair of them. So I'm chilling out right now for now, but waiting for that break of structure. And now I'm looking for a big win or more mini wins. Either way, just waiting. We're just waiting. This pair, 4 hour, 4 hour. It did a 4 hour continuation. So it did a pullback here about let's see. Yeah, right on that. So about a 23.6 retracement. That means this thing can be pushing down a lot further heavily. It's on the move. So it did continuation. So we have now this is the new low. Last two confirmation was right here. So this is the high to the right. So that breaker structure now gets placed right over here. And that is the new 4 hour breaker structure point. And we got we got the high here is 2050. And we're right on point, right? And we're waiting for that. Odds are we break its structure very soon. It's very high since you just made a big distance here where the breaker structure point is, right? And we're at these levels of resistance. So it could pop up and break that structure. Easy. And this is NZD CAD, and we're up structure on the month, up structure on the week, right? Along with the daily, right? And down structure on the 4 hour. So we just need that thing to go up. Then we go on the 1 hour, right? Euro USD. This thing did a 1 hour continuation. I'm waiting for a 1 hour break of structure. Now I'll risk the $25 to make $50 on this play because we had at least of these four mini wins in a row. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is somewhere back there, right? Right over here. This is the fourth one after the big win. So when I get four of those in a row, I know it's I'll do another big win without touching that 0 point. So within the next couple trades. So I just need to know. I don't know which one is I'll be. So I'll lower my risk, $25 to make $50. If I lose this one, I don't give a fuck. $50 to make $100. I lose that one, I don't give a fuck. $100 to make $200. If I lose that one, I don't give a fuck. $200 to make $400. If I lose that one, I might give a fuck a little bit, but I really don't give a fuck because that is my maximum risk per trade, right? It's $200 per trade. I'm just leaning up to that point. And then if I lose that one, of course, I'm still risk of $200. I'm not going to go max over that. I stay with my rules and I let the market keep what it want to take from me, but I get back what I deserve. So we're just on the get back right now. I'm just battling the market. It's a boxing match this week because this week start Sunday, boom, and then here today, boom. This is this week's right here. So we had a win, a loss, 2 wins in a row, a loss, a win, and a loss, right? and we're a little bit down right now this week, but it's 3 against 3, right? And this next following trade right here could be the tiebreaker, right? So yeah, 1 hour we made a new high. What's the new high? This is how easy trading is, man. Boom, that's the new high. What's the last two candle formation from this new high? That's bearish. What is this candle? The open and close is two different numbers, right? So it's a downward candle. It's not a doji. So this counts as a down candle. So these are down candles together. What to the right is the lowest point. This is the lowest point to the right. So now my breaker structure for the 1 hour gets moved up to here. And then I can line it up perfectly with that low. 303. Boom. And we got it. So now if this thing breaks structure, I'm going to be alerted. 1 hour breaker structure, all is aligned, set Robin trap, blah, blah, blah. And I get down my phone when I'm at my job or something like that. Or it could be home, just where I am now, right now, anytime that market breaks structure, right? And if it does a continuation, and I clearly see in the market, there's a new two confirmation over here. This will be the new breaker structure point. So I just got to keep a nice memory in my back of my mind where we at. This pair, we have something major that just changed. We had a daily continuation, right? So come here on the daily. We had this new high. Obviously on the 4 hour, we gotta have that high too. But new two candle formation now on the daily is what? Here. So the breaker structure point for the daily gets moved. And that's a major difference. We just did a continuation. We're looking to make a weekly continuation, it looks like. So this could be the higher time frame target right there. And then the other high time frame target would be the monthly, but that still take a while. Weekly is what this thing is aiming for. That's why this thing is on the rampage right now. But we are up structure on the 4 hour, right? So I'm waiting for a 1 hour break of structure. Reason why we have this high, last two confirmation was right here. We clearly broke that structure. So this is the new low. And that's the new breaker structure point for the 1 hour. And line up for 90. For 90. And now I'll set it up. 1 hour structure, all align set. That's right. I'm still after that. After 4 losses in a row. not really 4 losses in a row. More like 3, because this one will always be the one that I miss. So I know the signal for take this one, I lose it. Take this one, I lose it. So that was 2, 4, and then 6. So I lost about 600 just on USD CAD. Thank you very much, USD CAD. Actually, I think I missed one of them. That's right. I dodged some of that loss, but whatever. But yeah, we're waiting for that breaker structure point on USD CAD. AUD USD, kind of a little tornado. This is kind of irrelevant, but this is what we're looking for. This is the current situation, or my entry is right there. So if I go to my orders here, I didn't even put it on yet. But this is a trade I'll put in soon. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's video 31 for you. Peace.